So what procedure are we doing today?
I'm doing a hair transplant.
Why are you having a hair transplant?
I had a little bit of thinning at the back, and I noticed that I was getting a little bit of widow's peak at the front, so I just wanted to kind of fill in the gaps and make sure that I'm keeping my hair for the long term.
What does hair transplant mean to you?
It's confidence, having hair for the future. I mean, I have a bald father and bald grandfather. The one thing that bothers them the most when we're at family gatherings is listening to, you know, the shine and the gleam coming off that dome. That really bothers them, so that's not something that I want to partake in.